Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start the teardown on the 37. So let's get it. This is Costantino Garage. Okay, we finally got pretty much the minimal of interior stripped out of it. And as you can see, the floorboards aren't too bad. There's no rotted holes. That's the whole tunnel for the transmission. And as you can tell from there to there, there is a panel there, no panel here. So I'm not sure if it was cut out or unbolted. Either find a panel to fix that, or I'll just make a custom metal piece and weld it in. Obviously, there's a little access hole here for the brake master cylinder. We'll address all that. All right, we got all the dash components out, most of the interior out. So this is what we got. So we got the whole dash fascia piece out. I was happy that that came out with minimal issues. Got the windshield, interior windshield frame. And then these are the gauge clusters. And then there's like this little center piece. I don't know if that's supposed to be some sort of speaker or vent, but it's cool. We'll clean all this up, get it painted. As for the gauges, now these are the factory gauges we are not going to be using. We're going to be using aftermarket upgraded gauges that still hold the nostalgic look, same shape. The clock and ashtray, to save a little bit on the budget, I'm going to try to revive these as best as I can, clean them up, paint them, see if I can open this up and maybe clean the clock face. So now what we need to do is start prepping these interior pieces and get them painted. Let's get it. Not too bad. Came out pretty good. Wait for this to dry and then hit another coat. These will be done. Let's move on to the interior. Try to revive these. This one I've already worked on. I kind of polished the edges. Looks pretty good. I might still want to crack this open and clean in here. This is the ashtray. Doesn't really work all that well. See if we could revive this, make it not really, obviously we're not going to be able to create this finish, but we'll see what we can do. Let's get it. after a bunch of sanding, pretty clean. So what I'm thinking to sort of mimic this style is I could spray some spray on chrome, or, you know, Mexican chrome. Don't want to offend anybody, but hey, spray on some fake chrome on this to sort of get it close. It's not going to obviously have that same finish. And then maybe this, I'm thinking about maybe spraying like a black to sort of give it that contrast. It was already sort of some sort of brownish black color, but I think black will look good. Considering with the rest of the pieces, the emblem here is sort of chrome and black, so it should match very well. New dash is in with the new hardware. Everything looks good. Went back in, no problem. Now let's throw on that windshield frame. Dash and interior window trim is in. Looks good. Sort of ties in everything in here. We could maybe throw on the centerpiece and also little ashtray clock section. Okay, entire dash and windshield molding is in. Instrument panels in. Center section is pretty much in, instead of some knobs and stuff that we gotta put in as well. And also ashtray and clock over there that we'll put in once everything is done being restored. But the overall picture is there, extremely clean. Happy with the look. I restored the ashtray. The little chromish looking paint. The red little tallies don't look half bad with the black face for the door. I don't think it will look half bad sitting next to this. Let's throw them in and take a look. Tons of progress going with the 37. We got everything in as far as dash components, as exception of gauge cluster. Do you know why? Because we got these bad boys that just came in. We got gauges, we got wiring harness, we got hush mat for the interior. All these things are happening in the next video, so you don't want to miss it. So stay tuned. This is Costantino Garage.